How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode is just a little review. Um, awesome that I had the chance to work with Tacklife. Once again, Tacklife. If you haven't seen my episode where I did the review in the tire inflator, I'm gonna put it right here so you can go and see it. Right here, one of those two. But this time we have this awesome product. So let me go ahead and open it. Taglight just sent me a battery jumper. Let me open it for you. Okay, so this is a new product, compact, amazing because I already checked the reviews to see what people talks about it. And this little box right here can jump your car. 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder. It can jump anything. It has a lot of power, and it has two outputs for in case you want to charge your phone, your laptop. It has light, warning light, and in here is the power for the battery. When you try to jump a car, at least you need to have 3 lights of power, because less than that is not gonna do it. Okay, so that's kind of dangerous for the device. In here we have the connection for your battery jumper. If we open this side, it has so many goodies. I was actually charging this camera that I'm recording with this one right now, because it was dying on me. Right here we have the cables for the battery to jump the battery, and this is kind of like a smart chip in it. It has boost. You can press really well with your nail, and in case that you connect them in the wrong side, it's gonna tell you that it's connected in the wrong side. Once it turns green, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be connected on the right side. So this one is one-way connection. You put it right here, and it only goes one way, and that's how you can jump your car. Okay, so in here is the connector for the wall to charge your battery jumper. It has this to the cigarette lighter in case you need to charge it while you're driving, and this one is in case that you need to inflate your tires or you need to connect something to it. You plug it in here. I'm gonna inflate my tire because it's kind of low, so I'm gonna use this one in a minute. This little device, it has so many good reviews. Link is gonna be in the description in case that you wanna go and purchase one for yourself. And this little device is really convenient to have it in your car. Really compact design. This little case is awesome. It looks really well made, really good quality, and you can put it on your glove box, which that's what I have it right now. It's better to have this than cables, because you don't want to have a bad battery and you go to the store or you're driving and then your car don't want to start again. You don't want to be stranded in the middle of the road just wishing somebody give you a jump. Better thing to have is one of these in your car in case there's something happens. You don't need to ask help to anybody, and it's kind of dangerous too, so might as well having one of these is not gonna hurt you. This is really affordable and really compact design and very powerful. So let me go ahead and try it. I'm gonna inflate my tire because my tire is kind of low for one of the videos that I make with another product. So this one is gonna be really handy in case that you need it. So this tire is kind of low because I was doing something else and I make another episode. This tire, I need to replace it, but it's kind of low right now. So I'm gonna use my Tacklife tire inflator. In this case, I'm gonna try it just to see how powerful the battery jumper is. I don't want to start the car. I'm gonna just connect it to my battery jumper and see how it works. Connect it right here on top. Then we're gonna connect this to the tire inflator. I'm gonna give it some juice. The tire inflator is on. let's hook this to the car, which I know the tire is low. You see right now it has enough juice. The power is full on charge. This one is on. Let me turn it on. 27 pounds. Inflate the tire, no problems. Now the battery jumper is off. As soon as I stop doing his job, we're gonna disconnect this. And there you have it. That's how easy you can inflate your tire with one of these. Now, I'm gonna take it to the battery just to give you an example because my battery is good. I just started the car this morning, but let's take it to the car and connect it to the battery so you can see how easy it is. So right here we have the battery jumper connected and negative with negative, positive with positive. Okay, if you see right there the green light is telling you that everything is connected the right way. In case that your battery is really low, you can press the boost to give it some boost. You have to wait at least 30 seconds once you connect it so you can start your car. Wait a little bit. If your battery is really low, press the boost and then you can start your car. And if you can see, we inflate the tire and still it has 4 light bars of energy. We just use one right now because I was charging my camera. So that's all it is to jump the car. So link is gonna be in the description if you wanna get one of these, or if you wanna get your tire inflator, which is really handy. I keep it in my car at all times because right now with the tire the way I have it, I really do need it. And I know my battery, I checked it like a few months ago, is going bad. I know I need to replace it really soon, but in case that one of these days something happened and my battery completely decide to not start the car again, I'm gonna have this one in my glove box in case that I need it. So guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you like it. Thanks to Tacklife for these awesome products, and thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.